Okay. We're making BA test cookie, chocolate chip cookie. No. It's Rick Martinez's brown butter and toffee chocolate chip cookies. I'm not gonna say BA because they don't pay their colored workers. All right. So Rick Martinez made brown butter and toffee chocolate chip cookies, and I want to make them for Santa, you know? Okay. That is a lot of butter.
Where did I put the spoon?
Am I gonna use this
For what?
to brown butter? Last year for Christmas, we had a party at my house here. Everyone slept over. We all opened presents in the morning. It was really fun. The year before that, we went to someone else's house. Yeah. We had a sleepover there, I think. I don't remember. But last year was fun. I did my vlog. I think the year before that or the year before that. After Christmas, we went to Buffalo to meet my cousin in Buffalo. Yeah, that's where we went for his birthday. And we went to P.F. Chang's, we went to the Cheesecake Factory, we went shopping. He bought us so many things. Yes. Oh, I am going to link the recipe in the description box if you want to make them. I am so, like, I've made these BA, no. One. This is still not brown. What is taking so long? Okay, we're gonna just let it do its thing. It's already been 30 minutes since I started. Okay, this is pretty browned. I'm just gonna continue eating this for a while because it says to beat it for 1 minute, but I don't want to use the electric mixer. I'm just using a fork. We need 2 large eggs. So one of them I'm gonna do with one hand, and the other one I'm not gonna do with one hand. I just need this for my vlog. All right, good luck. Oh, that was so ugly. Oh, that was so ugly. And the next egg. That was not good either because I got a shell. What is going on? And we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, hold on. Let me beat this egg in first. That's egg fat. We don't want that. 1.
No! I said go to bed.
2. And we are back to beating these eggs up. To combine. Okay. Ooh, the toffee. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do with the toffee. I'm gonna break them like this. Okay. It looks so pretty. Oh. It fell through my shirt. Are you kidding me? Can you make sure he doesn't come in here? Yep. There's chocolate all over the floor. have caramel stuck in my teeth. I'm gonna put these, I just posted on my Instagram story. I'll put it somewhere here, but anyways. I'm gonna let these rest for the night. And I'm gonna bake them tomorrow because cookies taste better after they've rested. So, let's do that. $3.75. All right.
Yay!